Why do disasters happen? Why do they impact communities differently? And, most importantly, how can we build safer, more resilient worlds?
At York University, we don't just ask these questions, we work on tackling the answers. York is the only university in Canada to offer both undergraduate and graduate degrees in disaster and emergency management. This is a highly specialized field that blends the study of disaster with the practice of emergency management.
Offered through York University's Faculty of Liberal Arts and Professional Studies, our Disaster and Emergency Management program combines cutting-edge theory with real-world practice. You'll delve into topics like disaster risk management, crisis communications, ethics, terrorism, and business continuity, all while gaining practical emergency management training.
Here, you'll join a supportive, inclusive community led by world-class instructors and endless opportunities to grow. Our program is built on 5 pillars. First, we're interdisciplinary, which means we draw on insights from across many fields. Second, we're holistic in our approach. This means we look at disasters from prevention all the way to recovery. Third, we promote critical thinking. We challenge assumptions and analyze complex problems. Fourth, we're strategic. We're training you in risk assessment, leadership, and planning. And fifth, we're solutions-oriented. We apply classroom learning to real-world challenges.
Learn how to make informed decisions under pressure by analyzing complex information with clarity and confidence. Explore proven strategies to protect lives and property, minimize damage, and accelerate recovery during disasters and emergencies. Put theory into practice by applying key concepts, methodologies, and technologies used by emergency management professionals to real-life scenarios.
At York University, our disaster and emergency management program is built for flexibility, so you can shape your education to match your goals.
You can choose from a 3 years bachelor's, a 4 years honors, or dive deeper with a specialized honors degree. Want to broaden your expertise? Disaster and emergency management is available as a minor in combination with other fields of study. We also offer an emergency management certificate designed to address core skills and knowledge required in the field.
Starting in second year, you can join our optional co-op program for paid experience working with governments, businesses, and nonprofits. By third year, you can take on a field placement or join research projects through our Y-Emerge Institute.
Throughout your program, you'll also get hands-on training at our state-of-the-art Atterson Lab and Emergency Operations Center, where theory meets action. Graduates of our program go on to exciting careers, including as emergency managers, policy analysts, and humanitarian specialists. They work across public, private, and not-for-profit sectors.
If you want to make a difference, if you want to help communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from disasters, York's Disaster and Emergency Management program is just the place to start.
York's Faculty of Liberal Arts and Professional Studies is one of Canada's largest and most diverse faculties. Our wide range of courses allows you to combine liberal arts and professional studies to get the specialized skills you need to succeed. Paired with co-op, global study opportunities, and a wide range of student supports, our value-added approach to education will make you adaptable in an ever-changing world.